Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make Instagram business account private. If you are using any business account or any creator account and you're facing the issue that you cannot make your account private or in this pop-up message that creator account can't be private. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So now to fix that, there's the only way. You just have to switch your account type and then enable account privacy. So let's see how can you do that. You have to open your Instagram app and here tap on the profile option in the bottom right corner. Then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner here. And here you will get the option of account privacy. And here you can easily make this account private by enabling this. But you'll face the issue if you have any creator account or any business account. That creator account can't be private. So let's see how can you fix that. You just have to go back and here you will get the option of creator rules and controls. You must have to select that option and here select the switch account type and then select switch to personal account. Then select this again, that switch to personal account, and once you have selected, your account will be switched to a personal account. So you must have to wait for almost 30 seconds here, and you can see that my account has been switched to a personal account. And after that, you have to simply tap on the three horizontal lines here, and here just look for the account privacy option, and then enable this toggle to make your account private. Tap on switch to private option, and here you can see you have correctly or perfectly enable private account, or you have made your account private in your Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.